And welcome back to the David KTV Scoreboard Show. Just getting some additional information as we have the young ladies from Western Little League, I believe. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Morgan Hipp.
Morgan, 9 and 10 softball?
Mm-hmm.
And championship game tonight?
Yep.
And what was the score?
It was 12-1.
12-1, so you had a little bit of breathing room there?
Yeah.
Obviously you hit the ball well. And what position do you play?
I played first and third.
First and third. Say hi to somebody out there.
I want to say hi to my family and friends, and a thank you to my uncle, Rich, and my dad.
Okay, congratulations. We're going to have you go over here and talk to the next young lady here. Hi, what's your name?
Sylvia Jeanette.
Sylvia, what position do you play?
I play second base and center field.
Second base and center field. Which one do you like better?
I like center field.
And any hits tonight?
Yeah, I had one ground out.
Okay. And who would you like to say hi to out there?
I'd like to say hi to my friends and my family and my team and my coaches.
Okay. Good job. Congratulations. Hi, and what's your name?
My name is Nicole Smizak.
Nicole, what position do you play?
Third and pitcher.
Third and pitcher. And a good game for you tonight?
Yep.
A lot of fun with the team. Looking forward to. You got to go to sectional play though, so you got to win a game before you go to state. But that's good. And who would you like to say hi to out there?
All my friends and my family.
All right. Congratulations. Good job. Go on over there and take the next three girls here. I want to bring the other girls back so we can do this again.
We heard them.
You heard them? Okay. They can pick up my mic here. I'll hopefully get them. Hi, what's your name?
Jenna Bills.
Jenna, what position do you play?
Right field.
Right field. Any action tonight out in right field?
No.
Not a whole lot. Is that good, or is that you like the action or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's always better to have a few, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And who would you like to say hi to out there?
All my friends, my family, my dad. Special thanks to Rita DeGloffer and Megan, and my team and my coaches.
Good job. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
My name's Kaylee Whitcomb.
Kaylee, what position do you play?
Center field.
Center field. Any action for you tonight out in center?
No.
Kind of quiet?
Yeah.
Is that a good thing, or would you prefer to see a little action?
Little action. I like to present.
Who would you like to say hi to out there?
I like to say hi to my dad and my mom and my friend Gracie.
Great, good job. Congratulations. Come on over here. Hi, and what's your name?
Brooke Christians.
And Brooke, what position?
Left field.
Left field. Any hits tonight?
Yeah, one right down the middle.
One right down the middle. That's a good place for it. And looking forward to moving on.
Yeah.
And who would you like to say hi to out there?
My family and friends and my coaches.
Right, congratulations. Go on over there. Bring the next young ladies here. May have to go down on a knee here. They're getting smaller on me. I'm getting old. Hi, what's your name?
Abby Kimball.
Abby, how old are you?
I'm 6.5.
6.5. So are you an official player or are you an official helper?
Helper.
Are you a cheerleader or what's your role in the team?
I'm just working on pitches.
You're just working on pitches. Who would Jack say hi to? You're striking them all out?
I'd like to say hi to Olivia, Connor, and Jack, and Eva, and Olivia, and my mom and dad, and Oma, and Brooke, and Lexi.
You got lots of friends. Anybody else?
And the whole team and my coaches.
All right, good job. Congratulations. Hi, and what's your name?
My name is Allison Vanny.
And Allison, what position do you play?
I play catcher, third, and second base.
Second base. Which one do you like best?
Catcher.
Catcher. Who would you like to say hi to out there?
I like to say hi to my mom and my stepmom for supporting me, and my dad and my stepdad for practicing with me, and all my brothers and my friends.
Good job. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Come back up here. Get up back with the big people. And what's your name?
Hannah Van Manen.
And what position do you play?
Catcher.
Catcher. And a little warm back there the last few days?
Yeah.
You like it hot? Right in the middle of the action though, right?
Yeah.
Who would you like to say hi to out there?
I'd like to say hi to my mom and my dad for supporting me, and my cousin, and my friends. Yeah.
Great. Good job. Congratulations. Come on over here. Hi, and what's your name?
Anna Smith.
Anna. And what position do you play?
First and pitcher.
First and pitcher. Did you pitch tonight?
Yeah.
And, obviously a good game.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Who would you like to say hi to out there?
My mom, my dad, my two brothers, Zach and Mitchell, and all my friends.
Right, good job. Congratulations. Hi, and what's your name?
Kristen Kimball.
Kristen, where do you play? What position?
I play pitcher and sometimes shortstop.
Okay, look out there in the camera and say hi to somebody.
I'd like to say hi to my parents, especially my dad because he couldn't be here tonight. My sisters, Emily and Abby. My brother Nick, my Oma, my Aunt Jeannie, my Aunt Di, my Aunt Tammy, and my grandparents, and my little cousin Danielle, and my friends.
Good job. Congratulations. That's quite a list. Hi, and what's your name?
Lindsay Saskowitz.
Lizzie. What position do you play?
I play left and third.
Third. Which one do you prefer better?
Left.
The left. Okay. Who would you like to say hi to out there?
I like to say hi to my family, friends, and my grandma and grandpa.
All right. Congratulations. Good job. Come out here. We've got a couple more young ladies here. Hi, what's your name?
Jenny Van Manen.
And cheerleader?
Yep.
Who would you like to say hi to out there?
My grandma and grandpa and my cousins.
All right. Good job. Hi, and what's your name?
Kate.
And how long did it take to put the makeup on tonight, Kate?
A lot.
Okay. Quite festive. And who would you like to say hi to out there?
My friends, my grandma and grandpa, and my aunt and uncle.
Yeah, congratulations. Coaches, come on out here. First of all, congratulations. Now grab the microphone there. Congratulations. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Jeannie Kimball, coach.
Hi, I'm Todd Staskowitz, coach.
I'd like to say thanks to all the fans. We had a ton of fans out there. I'd like to say thank you to all the girls. Girls, you're a great group to work with. I'd like to also say thank you to my dad helpers that come to most of the practices. These girls are something special. I hope they go all the way. And I'd like to say hi to my husband, who's at the state tournament with my other daughter. They're in the semifinals for the state for the girls' majors. And I'd also like to thank Todd for helping me out. And again, thanks to all the parents for all their help and support.
Score of the major
I
game.
believe the major game was 12-0 in 4 innings.
So,
And there goes semifinals tomorrow.
excellent.
Final four for the girls. I've got to say thanks to my wife, Laura, for putting up with me for all these times. I want to say thanks to a great bunch of girls who are working really hard at practice. I also want to, good job, girls. Also want to say thanks to the dad helpers who are sweating out there with us every day, and especially for John Edgerly and all his time. He works tirelessly for District 9 and for the team tournaments. We should be proud of John Edgerly. Thank you, John.
For that, we're going to get you over there with your team. Good luck in the sectional, and we'll have some information with that. Again, as we have the Western Little League 9 and 10 softball champions in District 9, and we wish them well and good luck in the state tournament. Let's give them a big hand. I think we're going to have another team coming out, or we're going to take a quick break.